Hello everybody, my name is Ben Lumen. I am an environmental science major, and in my daytime hours I am a gardener, and this is my TED Talk. So I obviously see a lot of gardens throughout my job, and the turf grass that we have to work with is something that I've been thinking about for a while. So it was a really good opportunity for me to study that more in here. So just a little bit of background on turf grass in America and the problems with it. America has about 40 million acres of grass within its borders, which is about the size of Florida. So when people say, "Oh, it's green though, it's good. It's gonna be putting out oxygen and stuff like that." Um, those benefits diminish as you imagine all of Florida getting mowed every single week, and good practice for a lawn is watering an inch of water per square foot every week. So imagine Florida being covered in 1 inch of water every week, and that's the turf epidemic we're dealing with. And so one of the solutions I found was these grass-free lawns, otherwise known as tapestry lawns, which are pretty cool. They're made out of over a dozen different species. Some of those species are flowering, and they all grow really close to the ground, so they're going to be, manageable. You're not going to get a forest if you forget about it. And someone made one of these and did a study on it, and they got 85 times more visits from pollinators, and they also retain twice as much water than regular turf grass. And that's really, really important because right now, the water that we are using to water these grasses really just passes through. The filtration effects that we get from healthy plants absorbing toxins and stuff, we don't really get from really tightly mown turf grass like we have now. And one of my favorite examples of how to reduce the impact of grass lawns was actually to reduce the amount of grass. It's simple, it's easy, and it looks really great. As you can see here, there's about half of this person's lawn, we can assume, taken away to leave room for a bench, some stones, and this beautiful water feature here, which is amazing. A, it looks great, and B, especially with the water feature, it can be used as a reservoir for all of the water coming off of your impermeable surfaces on your property. And that's really important once you take into account you can use all of that water to water your grass or your tapestry lawn that you chose to create. There's a lot of other methods to save, water and to save our environment within your own backyard. And I'm really excited to, keep on learning about this stuff. And hopefully, in the next week, I get to talk about it a lot more. So, yeah, thanks for coming to my mini TED Talk.